Which one is best, Ubersuggest or SEMrush? If you're comparing Ubersuggest versus SEMrush, here's the honest truth. Both have value, but a SEMrush gives you more professional, in-depth data. Ubersuggest is great for beginners. It offers basic keyword insights, simple SEO audits, and some backlink data. But it's limited, especially when it comes to competitive research and long-term growth. On the other hand, SEMrush is used by serious bloggers, agencies, and marketers. You get advanced tools like Keyword Magic Tool with thousands of suggestions, Traffic Analytics to spy on your competition, Domain Overview to understand your rival's strengths, Site Audit to fix deep technical issues. With a SEMrush, you're not just seeing keywords, you're building a real content strategy. It's a full digital marketing suite. The best part? You don't have to pay to test it out. Join SEMrush for free using the link in the description and try it side by side with Ubersuggest. The difference will be obvious. For beginners, Ubersuggest is fine. But if you're serious about ranking, monetizing, and scaling, SEMrush is the better long-term tool.